Hi, juniors. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been a long time since we've heard from each other. I hope everybody is safe and you are back into the groove of school. I'm going to review your assignment today. And it's going to carry over into the next couple of weeks, just to give you a heads up. So we're going to be looking at service learning. So in your assignment today, you are going to make sure that you first watch. I have two videos that I did put in for you. One is service learning definition. The other one is stages of service learning. If you'll notice, there's only about 4 minutes total in the video. So you are going to do that. Once you watch that and you have an idea of what service learning is, you are going to then brainstorm ideas for a class service learning project, something all of the juniors can do. Yes, I know my AVL students or distance learners, it might be a little bit difficult, but I will find ways that you will be able to participate and help within the process. So what you're going to do is you're going to brainstorm. What is something, now that I know what service learning is, what is something that we could research? What is something that a whole class of about 20, 25 people can do? What is something that actually has a service project attached to it? So these are questions I said to ask yourself. You don't have to write answers to me. Is the research topic broad enough to allow several small groups to complete research without overlapping information? What are subtopics that could be explored for our groups? And what service opportunities are available? So what I did is I actually put an example in the image if you open it. So the general topic, for example, could be obesity, research opportunities. So in the class, you could have one group doing research on causes of childhood obesity, a different group doing research on effects of childhood obesity, another one how it can affect adult health risks because you were obese as a child. How does obesity impact learning? How does childhood obesity affect social behavior? So this is the general topic. This is what I want you to brainstorm, but you're also going to show me, see, this is a broad enough topic that we could break it into smaller pieces and different groups could be researching together. Now, remember, I also said you need to be able to do a service project associated with your learning. So these are opportunities that you could take this information and turn it into a service project. So volunteer at a health fair, coordinate an awareness session, have some kind of public service announcements, create lesson plans that could be taught at younger ages, and then even go out to any local organizations that are helping with childhood obesity, okay? So what you're gonna do after you've brainstormed and you've come up with all three of these: topic, how we can break it down, and actual service opportunities, you're going to come here to the Jamboard. I remember on the Jamboard, guys, we're basically using sticky notes. So for each person, I should actually see 3 sticky notes together. So I should see general topic, and you're going to write the name, okay? I'm going to put it, and then I'm going to put, if we go back to the picture, of course, because I forgot, research opportunities. So let's go back to the Jamboard, research opportunities. So we'll just put ops, and then we're going to put service ops, okay? So for each of you, now keep in mind, all I did was write this, and this, but it should not just have the title service opportunities, research opportunities. It should look like this. You should actually fill it out with specific examples. Now, please make sure that you group yours together. You see how I put these 3 together? And on one of them somewhere, you do need to go ahead and put your name. So I would put underneath my name right there, and then I would click that. So like I said, guys, on one of the sticky notes, please make sure your name is on there so I know who you are. And also remember, you may run out of room. You may run out of room. So don't make huge sticky notes. And we can, if you come up here to the top, you can actually click, and then there's a second page, a third page, a fourth page. We can go up to, I believe, 9 pages. I don't think we'll, oh, no, 20 pages, 20, I remember. I don't think we'll need that many, guys. So make your stickies as big as you need it to fill out the information. But again, please try to group your 3 together so I know that it's there like that. And don't, throw them all over, some up here, down, try to make them just all nice and neat where they are organized like this, because we're going to go back and we're going to be reading everybody's suggestion so then we can vote as a class what our service learning opportunity is going to be. All right, so please make sure you complete this as soon as possible, guys. We need this information for class tomorrow. Have a great day. Let me know if you need anything.